that I have also received similar message on my mobile. But my request is whoever has started these fake messages must stop it straight away, because while circulating such fake messages, you are playing with the lives of the young innocent students of Vasco. Now, why I would like you to stop playing with this is, if your child were to be there, would you have liked your child to face a similar situation? The big answer is no. So therefore, please don't play with the life of the students. Please allow the students to concentrate, do well so that they succeed in the exams. What I would like to appeal to the parents, that please do not go by these fake messages. Rely upon the message which is there available on the Goa board website or on the official newspaper cutouts, because these are the true things. We have also confirmed with the ADI that the message which is being circulated is fake and it has to be condemned. So please do not fall a prey to such fake messages. Go by the official website news and help your students to do well. This is all that I would like to tell them.
The exams are fast approaching, and whatever fake messages have been circulated should not be looked over, because you have to only check onto the Goa board website for the confirmed sitting arrangement. Otherwise, you can also contact the chief conductor, who is Sir Alberto Fernandez from St. Joseph's High School. Any queries, you may contact them. Please do not pass on fake messages, so that it is going to create a risk to the students who are fast approaching for the exam. So kindly stop passing such messages on the WhatsApp.